Pradhan Jyoti Suraksha Bima Yojana. Where did it come from? Atal Pension Yojana. Where did it come from? These are points, these are common people's insurance coverage being given at a very nominal premium. And that is given by Honorable Prime Minister. That is a scheme. All these are included. All these are included as a scheme by Honorable Prime Minister. And today they want to talk about welfare measure and insurance. Very well.
Sumati.
Sir, I rise to object the bill on 3 grounds, sir, in pursuance of Rule 72. Amendment of Section 2C of the bill is to provide foreign insurance companies an ultimate say in insurance business in India, is against the sovereignty, unity and integrity of nation and is a violation of constitutional provisions, sir. Amendment of Section 2C of the bill, the insertion of a class A and B are against the interest of national insurance companies as A, shall not apply to an insurer or insurance intermediary in any special economic zone, including international financial services centers set up under the provisions of the Special Economic Zones Act 2005, sir. B, shall apply to the insurer or insurance intermediary in any special economic zone, including international financial services centers set up under the provisions of the Special Economic Zones Act 2005, sir. With such exceptions, modifications and adaptations as may be specified in the notification facilitate 100% foreign players in the insurance sector, sir. That is my objection. This is untenable and unjustifiable as it is against the Indian insurance sector, sir. In the view of the above objections, I respectfully submit that the bill is liable to be rejected at the very threshold, being beyond the jurisdiction of Parliament and violative of the Constitution of India, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, this is the problem, sir. This is exactly the core of the problem, where you name all your schemes and acts and the statutory issues in Hindi. This would be the problem what the Honorable Speaker is facing now. Sir, we oppose the very name of the bill. Sir, this bill, the Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha Bill 25, it amends the Insurance Act, LIC Act, and IRDA Act. I don't want to repeat what our learned friend Premchand or Mrs. Smriti and Honorable Saukat Rai. Sir, basically ours is a welfare state, where our Constitution, through its directive principles, direct the state to provide social security and health care to its citizens. The state, Article 41 says, the state shall, within the limits of its economic capacity and development, make effective provision for securing the right to work, to education, and to public assistance in cases of unemployment, old age, sickness and disablement. Sir, this particular bill completely dismantles this welfare aspect of the Constitution. Sir, you take Employees State Insurance Act 1948. This is a statutory welfare legislation that mandates the government to provide medical care to insured persons and their families, cash benefits during sickness, maternity and employment injury, funeral and dependent benefits. Sir, I would like to impress upon this government should start rolling out this type of bill, because the benefit to state-backed social security to workers such as accredited social health activists, Anganwadi, Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Guarantee, which is going to be in the name of Ram hereafter, auto rickshaw, taxi tailor, the underemployed, poor, will be directly hit because of the 100% foreign investment. Therefore, we strongly object, sir. It should be withdrawn.